Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Cialis for Bodybuilding. What is Cialis? Tadalafil? Cialis is the brand name of the generic drug called Tadalafil. It is a kind of medication used to treat erectile dysfunction, pulmonary arterial hypertension, PAH, and benign prostate hyperplasia, BPH. It is also popularly used off-label, Cialis for bodybuilding, in order to gain strength and extra muscle mass. The medicine works by restricting the phosphodiesterase enzyme, which helps ease the blood vessels and escalates the blood flow, promoting better muscle growth when fused with exercise. The usual dosage of Cialis for bodybuilding goals varies from 1.5 mg to 10 mg per day, administered orally. For using Tadalafil for bodybuilding purposes, it is essential to consult a specialized healthcare provider before starting to use it. Why do bodybuilders use Cialis? In a similar way that it develops blood flow to the penis, Cialis boosts blood flow to the muscles, which is beneficial for bodybuilders and athletes. Better blood flow delivers the muscles with oxygen and nutrients that also result in a short-term increase in vascularity and size, aiding into rush of long-lasting growth. Although physical exercise boosts immense blood flow on its own, a medication like Cialis for weightlifting supports it by doubling up the efforts for extra satisfying gains and pumps. Like pre-workouts, Cialis also makes bodybuilders feel more pumped. When used before a workout session, Cialis also benefits the regulation of the endocrine system and modifies the way the body reacts to exercise. What effect does Cialis have on muscles? Recently, Cialis has been researched as a possible means of bodybuilding and muscle building. Studies show that it can boost protein synthesis and muscle overgrowth, which can support athletes in achieving their targets quicker. Another potential mechanism of action is elevated blood flow to the muscles, which can enhance nutrient and oxygen delivery. It has also been found that Cialis can reduce the impairment that exercise does to muscles, allowing athletes to work out and even for an extended time. Ultimately, Cialis can lessen inflammation in the muscles that may be a consequence of immense physical activity. In brief, the medication has been shown to have advantageous influences on muscle recovery and growth. Benefits of Cialis for bodybuilding. The benefits of Tadalafil for bodybuilding and muscle growth involve enhanced endurance, elevated strength, rapid recovery periods, improved focus on workouts, and elevated lean muscle mass. Cialis may also benefit in decreasing low energy while having passionate workout sessions and developing overall physical performance. Moreover, it has been suggested to build up the sex drive in men in addition to an escalation in testosterone formation that is advantageous for bodybuilders wanting to achieve more muscle mass. Psychological impact of using Cialis in fitness. Cialis is a medication mainly used for treating erectile dysfunction. It may have psychological effects on people, especially when used in conjunction with fitness targets. Though certain users can observe enhanced quality of life and decreased anxiety associated with sexual performance, others may have negative effects. Psychological impacts like dependency on the medication and performance anxiety can be experienced. Moreover, Cialis can influence cognitive abilities and interact with other medications. Hence, it is important to think of the psychological effects while using it for bodybuilding purposes. Cialis versus steroids and other performance enhancers. Though Cialis and steroids, and various other performance enhancers are used for bodybuilding, they vary vastly in their working and related dangers. Cialis can deliver short-lasting effects in terms of blood flow, but its usage for performance enhancement is not legally approved and holds health and legal concerns. Steroids, on the other side, hold a greater possibility for the growth of muscle mass but appear with serious health risks and legal allegations. It is considered vital for individuals to consult their qualified healthcare provider before taking either option into account and to be mindful of the health and legal hazards implicated. Cialis Bodybuilding Dosage. The recommended Tadalafil bodybuilding dosage can differ depending on the user's personal needs and targets, in addition to their gender, age, and health status. Typically, most individuals take 10 to 20 milligrams in a 24-hour period, divided into either single or double doses every day. The effects of this medicine can last for up to 36 hours, hence, it is essential to schedule suitably when using this medication. It is crucial to note that Cialis must not be used by anyone with triggering health problems such as vascular disorders or hypertension, as these problems can be made worse with the use of this medicine. Moreover, it is not recommended for females who are pregnant or lactating to use Tadalafil because of its possible side effects on developing babies or nursing children. Cialis Bodybuilding side effects. Taking Cialis, Tadalafil, for bodybuilding reasons can result in numerous side effects, some of which can be aggravated by forceful physical exercise. Common side effects can include muscle and back pain, headaches, nasal congestion, flushing. Severe side effects can include prolonged erection, low blood pressure, dizziness, fainting, palpitations, hearing loss, vision impairment. Where can I buy Tadalafil online? Tadalafil is a progressively famous supplement among bodybuilders who are seeking to elevate their performance and develop their physique. Its main benefit is its capability to improve blood flow, which can help develop desired muscle gains, decrease fatigue, and intensify overall performance. For people searching for where to buy Tadalafil online, arrowmeds.com provides an extensive variety of products, such as liquid Cialis Bodybuilding, that could deliver the preferred benefits. Our products consist of top-notch quality ingredients that are specially designed to keep people's health as a priority and are crafted with keeping authoritarian quality standards in mind. With express delivery, the best customer service, and a cost-effective price range to make sure every person is able to afford it in times of need, arrowmeds.com offers an unmatched source of medications for numerous medical conditions for populations of every age group. Conclusion. To sum up, though Cialis pre-workout can provide certain advantages for bodybuilding, which include elevated blood flow and muscle pumps, Tadalafil performance enhancing is not approved by the FDA and has possible health dangers. It is important to consult a qualified healthcare provider before taking Cialis as part of a fitness routine to make sure of safety and efficacy. FAQ. Is Cialis worth it for bodybuilders? Yes, Cialis is considered to be a worthwhile option for bodybuilders who are looking to gain more muscle mass and improve physical performance while exercising. What happens if you take Cialis for bodybuilding every day? Though taking Cialis for bodybuilding every day could offer you appreciable results, there can be a potential risk of side effects, which include low blood pressure, headache, and muscle aches. Is Cialis legal to use for bodybuilding? Cialis is an FDA-approved medication for bodybuilding. However, its usage for performance enhancement is not approved, and so buying it without a prescription is illegal. Do women prefer Cialis for bodybuilding? Though Cialis for women's bodybuilding is not FDA approved, some women prefer to use it to improve blood flow, enhance muscle pumps, and improve recovery caused by workouts. However, since there is limited evidence backing up its safety, it should be administered by professional healthcare providers only. References: rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.